I decreased 8% of no-shows in my discovery meeting by using this n8n workflow. Let me show you this. It's really simple. I connect a Calendly node on n8n, and every time a meeting is scheduled, 3 things happen. First, it creates a row in a Google Sheet. Let me show you this, which is a meeting reminder. Second, it creates a record in my HubSpot CRM, so no more like typing in a CRM. And third, it does send an SMS, and that SMS reminds people, let me show you this, to actually RSVP yes, because the amount of people I know that just schedule a meeting and don't RSVP is like way too high. So to increase the chance that people show up on the meeting without being pushy, I sent them a text 1 day before the meeting. So they're like reminded like, hey, tomorrow you have a meeting with Jasper at this moment. How does this work? I have a scheduled trigger. This is just a set node which you can automate to do a certain task every hour, every half day. Then this Google Sheet saves the dates 1 day before. It sends them a reminding date 1 day before. Then afterwards, when the message is sent, it updates the sheet with reminded with yes. Unrelated, but still important, I would say. When people cancel a meeting, it doesn't mean that they don't want to meet with you. It's just that it sometimes was inconvenient. But the time where I have to type in that message, like, hey, shall we reschedule? I just automated it. So when a Calendly event is removed or cancelled, it automatically updates my HubSpot contact saying like, this person was not able to, get in a call with me. And it sends them an email. Hey, I can see you cancelled. If you want to reschedule, just this link. I have the same for a Google Calendar event. If someone cancels an event, I again update my HubSpot, lead contact, and then I send the same email. I myself have this oftentimes offline. You press D on the keyboard and it goes offline. And the reason is because I schedule a lot of normal other events besides meetings in my business calendar. But if you only have a business account, definitely use this, because this works, I would say, better than when somebody cancels a calendar event, because most people just, cancel the Google Calendar event. Good luck building.